The fight for justice continues. The family of late Kwaito star Mshuza is still battling with Southern African Music Rights Organization for her unpaid royalties. Her father, Steve Mafuna, says he's fighting not just for his daughter's legacy, but for her children who are left behind.
Ama-royalties akhe asikawatholi ngamanje sisashona. Yilokhu ngicela uG ukuthi ngoba kunematch abatshele lamanjara khona ukuthi amaqula ayakhala asitholi next lo muntu unabantwana bahamba isikole basupportwa yithi umntana bomunye wela school bahlala la
bangaphi labantwana babo
bayi2 intombazana nomfana
bangakanani
omunye una 12 omunye una 12 omunye una 14.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mbona mabasho ukuthi abantwana bayasho ukuthi bayathatha lento bayakhuluma.
Bakhulumisa ukuthi abantwana sokundlulile ukuthi bahlala nathi. Sinokuya kubo ukuthi bala eRunby. Bahlala no last bone yami.
So yini ungathanda ukuthi ubone iyenziwa after today?
Mina ngifuna ukuthi labantu besambo bazokwazi ukusupporta labantwana bakhipha imali omama abo bathola into ezi-right for bona. Ngoba bangena isikole. Fanele njalo sikhishwe imali bayobhatalela esikolweni.
Njengamanje babasho ukuthi ubani obakhokhelayo njengamanje ubani obondlayo
yimi nomntana
sho ukuthi ubondla ngegrant yakho.
Yeah.
Okay. Bathi mama buza la isamba
abakhulumi bathulile abaphendula khona bazobamba umithini khona manje la.
Okay.
Mshuza passed away in 2020, leaving behind 2 children. Her father, Steve Mafuna, recently joined artists marching outside Southern African Music Rights Organization's offices in Johannesburg, demanding transparency and the release of royalties owed to musicians. He told reporters it's heartbreaking because her children are surviving on my pension, which is not enough. My wish is for Southern African Music Rights Organization to release Mshuza's royalties so we can provide for her kids. The march was supported by Artists United and civil society groups, who handed over a memorandum calling for reforms within the Southern African Music Rights Organization. This comes amid wider allegations of mismanagement and corruption at the organization, with millions in royalties reportedly unaccounted for. Fans' reactions have been emotional. Supporters say Mshuza gave us hits and joy. Her children deserve better, while others argue that the Southern African Music Rights Organization must clean house. Artists shouldn't have to beg for what's rightfully theirs. This case highlights the broader struggle many South African artists face in securing their royalties even after death. We know music is more than entertainment, it's a livelihood. Mshuza's father's fight for her royalties is a reminder that behind every hit song, there are families depending on fairness.